Happy holidays. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com, and just a quick video here. I am going on vacation for a couple weeks, so you ain't going to hear from me again until after the first of the year. But I wanted to leave you with this. Globant. This is a stock that used to be on our growth stock list, but then when it fell out of favor here, took it off the list. I just want to be long stocks that are making money. And then I've totally ignored it. Every once in a while I mention it to members, but not that often, frankly. But over the last couple weeks, I've seen how the stock has been printing lower lows, lower highs. It's kind of come in for what I call a touch and go on the 50 and the 200-day moving average, just starting to move out again. And then I see the stock just today on Friday start to break out above this resistance level. So I think this is a really good stock to own right now. The better entry was yesterday, frankly, but this is okay too. It's up 4%, almost 5% today, but the idea is that this is getting ready to roll and move much higher. So you can even buy the stock now. Hopefully maybe on Monday, if it pulls back a bit, you can get it at a lower price, and then you keep your stop just a little bit below 99 bucks, maybe around 99 bucks. Give the stock a little bit of room, but you don't want to give it too much. The idea is that with this kind of a pattern, this stock can break out nicely going forward, particularly since today's move and yesterday's as well was on heavier than average volume, and all during this sideways move, it's been generally on lighter than average volume. So you want to see during sideways consolidation phases, you want to see low volume, and then when a stock starts to move out of consolidation, you want to see increasing volume, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. So anyway, I hope that helps members. I've got some real good stuff for you. Actually, even in today's weekend update, I'm going through in a lot of detail the stocks in our growth stock list. I'm going to show you some stuff that I'm sure you don't know. And then also for the next couple weeks, you've got a series of tutorials that I've designed to help you get off on the right foot. If you are not a member of Stock Market Mentor, look, now's a good time to check it out. If you email my brother, Gary, at Stock Market Mentor, he can help you out with getting registered. Okay, I'll see you in a couple weeks.